Divine Properties Limited. You dey see this our big building. You dey see am complete full. You dey see am so. Mercy Divine Properties Limited. And it go interesting say you see this building like this. Now our company, Mercy Divine Properties Limited, now get this plaza. It's called Bejowi Plaza. You dey hear me so? Directly opposite Chicken Republic. You see that thing right there? Now Chicken Republic. You see that in the supermarket at this NNPC filling station. If you reach here for Peter Odili Road, number 181 Peter Odili Road, now I stand like this. Now our office there. If you come to our office, you park your car, we carry you go inside. Now PrimeRose Court I want to make you collect now because PrimeRose Court na service estate for Port Harcourt here. It dey inside New Banana Island. It's going for 10 million. 3 months ago, it was going for 8 million. But right now, it's 10 million. You need to come and Pekle Africa on 090-3429-6519. Come make I show you our banner now. See our banner. See our banner. New Banana Island. Did you understand me so? And then if you see for up here like this, you go see say for our plaza here. We are into properties, estate and homes. You dey hear me so? If you drive come our office, see plenty space. You dey see all those kind of clients wake up, then they up now and we dey attend to them. You will park your car and then we carry our company Hilux. See am here. One of it, because not the only one we get. We carry our company Hilux. Under 10 minutes, we don't drive you go site. When you reach site, you see the land where you want pay for. You come back office, pay your money, we'll give you receipt. In 2 weeks, you collect your document, you get peace of mind. You know why this one they sweet me? Ha! If they sweet my body, oh, because it gets CFO. You know what it is CFO? Certificate of occupancy. Now you get. Ha! For this Nigeria, what will they for River State Port Harcourt, you get CFO. You don't get wahala again. So quickly call me on 090-3429-6519. Come and you follow me go up. How you doing? You don't carry your kolo follow me. You see our banners everywhere for New Banana Island. If you reach and you just knock like this, you don't even need to knock. Just pull up. Push and enter inside like this. Yeah. You see how you don't enter office with this. Now our entrance, now our reception with this. When you come, you generally sit down. Sit down like this. Balance. When you balance, they will just give you cold water, even mineral or malt, anywhere you like, we give you drink. When you drink, you relax. And then we attend to you. Know the exact thing where you want. Carry you go site, you come back, and then you pay your money, you collect your certificate. Madam Pekle Africa dey here. And we will wait for you. You dey hear me so? New Banana Island. Now you the new oil money for Port Harcourt. If you never hear and they hear and now make you enter inside your ear. If you miss Banana Island for Lagos, no miss Banana Island. Everywhere we dey everywhere. Everybody is aware of us. Make you quickly and sharply call. Time no dey wait for you. Now only you go wait for yourself. Now your future and the future of your children no use mouth chop am. You must comot that money, no leave am for bank o. It is not guaranteed. Are you getting me? So use am for life. Anytime you need the money, you go get am back in few days to do anything you want to, and you go get am back with profit. Make you say na Madam Good News, aka Madam Pekle Africa. I bring this good news for you from the goodness of her heart. You dey hear me so? And make I remind you the number. Even for the screen of this video, you go see the number. But the number again na 090-3429-6519. You see this sunny day. Na inspection we dey go. People with their cars and then inside, you dey carry them, they go inspection. And when we come back, then we forever be grateful for going for that inspection, for buying this land, and I will wait for you. Thank you.